What's up, everyone? My name is Yevhen. I'm a technician at a local company, Appliance Fix Lab, which specializes in repairing and servicing Samsung appliances in Winnipeg and surrounding areas. It's time to troubleshoot Samsung electric stove. Today's video is dedicated to the repair and maintenance of a Samsung electric stove, which has a split oven function for cooking completely different dishes. A reason for service call. The stove displays the DC error code. The DC error code is displayed during cooking of the Samsung stove display. The error appears randomly and not immediately. What does this mean? Error code DC or DE indicates that the partition presence sensor has detected the partition is missing. That is, if you turn on the cooking mode only in the upper half of the oven of the upper and lower mode and forgot to insert the deco between them, then you will see this error code on the display. If the partition is inserted and the Samsung stove display shows the error code DC or DE, this means that there is a malfunction that needs to be fixed. The presence or absence of the partition in the oven is determined by the sensor located at the back of the oven under the protective cover. During the inspection, I did not find any visible mechanical damage to the sensor and its mechanism. The wiring was not damaged and the contact was reliable. Measurements which a tester also showed that everything was in good working order. Based on the diagnostics, I decided to replace the electrical part of the sensor, the power switch. Considering that the malfunction does not always occur, I cannot exclude the possibility of a control module malfunction. If the error code appears again, replacing the oven control board will be the next step in repairing the Samsung stove. Having checked the operation of the oven in all modes, the error code did not appear. At this stage, the repair is complete, although there is a possibility that the error will return. If this error occurs again, shall proceed to the second stage of the repair, replacing the oven control board. At this stage, success. Everything is checked and works. Samsung electric stove repair is complete. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Winnipeg of Canadian city. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.